All right, guys, you're going to notice that when you're setting up your first PPC campaign, each campaign can have multiple ad groups. Now, inside of the Blueprint series, we teach you all the different ad groups to set up, along with what to put inside of each different ad group. But for now, know that when you're setting up a PPC campaign, you can have multiple ad groups. I recommend not having more than 10 ad groups. That's quite a bit. But the reason why ad groups are so great is that it allows us to segment our targeting so that we're focusing either on certain keywords, certain products, or certain match types. For example, I have two ad groups shown over here. Ad group 1 is a phrase match type, and all of the keywords inside of that group are phrase match type. Ad group number 2 is broad match type, and all of the keywords are in broad match type. Now, for this particular campaign, I'm testing out the same keywords, but in phrase and broad match type. Okay, so the take-home message here is that campaigns can have multiple ad groups, and we use that to help set up the right structure so that we can have the right strategy. Now, the next video is going to be talking about negative match types, and I wanted to show you real quickly that when you set up your negative match types, you can set them up in the campaign level or the ad group level. And this is basically a way to optimize the entire campaign or just that individual ad group.